Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk through doing a rotation using the strategies we learned in class. So the first thing that I need to do is read the problem and get my details. It says, on the diagram above, draw the image of the triangle after a clockwise rotation of 180 degrees about point Z. So from this sentence, I know that the direction that I'm going in is clockwise. Remember, our choices are clockwise or the opposite direction, counterclockwise. I know that I'm going 180 degrees, and I know that point Z is my center of rotation. So that's the part that I'm going to hold still. So the first thing I need to do is get a piece of patty paper, and I need to trace my shape. So I'm going to use a ruler. Many people don't like that step. Use a ruler to make my shape on my patty paper, being as precise as I can be. The more precise this is, the more precise that your image is going to be. And include my letters so that I'm ready to label them after. Now that my shape is ready, I need to measure out my angle. Using my angle ruler, remember, I line it up so I can see the words angle ruler. I can open it up to 180 degrees. I know that this is a straight line or half a turn. And I need to go 180 degrees in the clockwise direction. So I'm going to choose side YZ as my special side. Remember, you need to pick a side that is attached to the center of rotation. I usually pick the one that would be the easiest to rotate. I take my angle ruler and I put the center on the center of rotation on Z, and I line up one side with the already picked special side. Then I use these little dots to mark down 180 degrees, and I can use the ruler edge to make a guideline. That is where side YZ of my triangle needs to end up, 180 degrees away from where it used to be. Now I get my patty paper copy. I use my pencil to hold down vertex Z, and I rotate my patty paper until it lands right on that provided guideline. So now YZ is on that same edge that I already created. Then I need to do a little tugging of my paper to poke a hole and scribble, 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 so that underneath where the point is supposed to be, I have a vertex ready. I do the same for X. Scribble, scribble, scribble. And now I can see the copies of my points X and Y. Then I get my ruler out. Let's pick a different color so you can see the new shape. I use my ruler to connect my new vertices of my image. And I need to remember to label, this is Z prime, it didn't move, Y prime, and X prime. Notice that because we went 180 degrees, this shape looks exactly the same, just turned upside down. All right, time to try some on your own. Remember, when you're done, erase this extra part of your guideline so that there's no extra marks. Thanks, guys.